everyone, welcome to my channel, The Hungry Bazaar, which is an online shopping channel. And today I came to visit one outlet called Prime Beauty Concept. This is an exclusive outlet of saloon chairs, saloon equipments, and this comes in a street called OTC Road, which comes nearby SP Road, which comes in Bangalore, India, and it comes in a complex called Luciya City Center Complex. So this is a complex, and in second floor you can just check there is Prime Beauty Concept that comes in second floor in this complex, Prime Beauty Concept. And one landmark is this Sharada Takis, so you can just check on the right hand side there is Sharada Takis. This is a complex. In this complex in second floor you have to go. So this is second floor and you can just check here is outlet is a Prime Beauty Concept. Comes in second floor, Luciya Center, OTC Road. So this is the outlet, you can just have a look. And the Instagram link, YouTube link is in my description below. You can go and subscribe to that channel. The Google Maps is there in description below. This is the outlet, you can just have a look. And this is brand name Fox Studio. Entire saloon equipments, saloon chairs you will get. Amazing outlet, and they are into this business for many years. Trusted place, great opportunity. If you are into saloon, you want to start a business of saloon, you can come here, just have a look. All products you'll get here, right from basic range, mid range, high range. For massage and all also you'll get. Number is on video screen. You want to know any detail, you want to purchase the products, you can WhatsApp them. They'll send you all the details. A to Z saloon chairs, saloon equipments, saloon products you'll get. Very nice outlet. You can just have a look. All amazing products, different varieties you'll get here. So if you want any more information, you can WhatsApp, video call or call them. They are going to send you all the details. And right now I'm introducing you to the in charge of this place. His name is Mr. Ashok. So whenever you come here, you can meet him. Hi Mr. Ashok, welcome to my show. Mr. Ashok, tell me something about your studio. What and all you will get over here?
Hi, we are the manufacturers of all salon equipments and the furnitures.
Okay.
And we are manufacturing all these chairs and premium quality chairs.
And how many years over, sir, for your business?
We are doing with 14 years.
Okay, and would you like to show any sample of your products and all?
We can. This is all are the PVD coating, gold PVD coating, manufacturing all are imported chairs.
Okay.
Yeah. These all are the premium quality resins and all.
Okay. So a lot of varieties you have in saloon chairs.
Lot of varieties we have, and these all are unisex saloons chairs.
So these all are the unisex saloon chairs. Okay, next.
Yeah.
You will get from basic range, mid range and high range.
Yeah, we will get here all
types of saloon chairs.
Range.
Okay, so these all are few samples. You can just have a look. And some more. You want to show anything?
That all are the massage beds for spas and all.
Also
facial bed are there, and skin care beds
Okay.
are there we have.
Okay, so these all are the massage beds. You can just have a
all
look.
are the massage beds.
Okay, so
Very good quality is there, and heavier bed.
Okay, so in this also size comes or standard size?
No, all are different sizes, customizations we are making all.
Okay.
Which size you want, we will make and give you best to best.
Cool. Now sir, next.
These all are the hair spa stations.
Okay,
Premium
nice.
quality is there, and mid range we have.
So this comes with basin and all like this?
Yeah, these all are the adjustment basins.
Okay.
You can adjust the basin.
Nice. So this all comes like this. You can just have a look for
Yeah.
washing hairs and all in saloon. So whatever you want for your saloon, whatever types of chair you're looking, each and everything you'll get here, right from basic range, mid range, high range, massage chair, massage bed, everything. Yes sir, apart from
You
that.
will get it.
And apart from this?
These all are the pedicure stations and nail art table.
Okay, so
this is nail art table.
Okay.
Very good quality and made with waterproof wood and all very good quality.
and like this it will come on this.
Drawers and all is there.
Okay, so this is for nail art and all. You
Nail
can
art
just have a look.
tables.
So these are few samples over here. They इसमें और कितना सर 3 4 10 मिल जाएगा?
4 to 5 varieties we have.
You will get more 4 to 5 varieties for all these things. So like this also.
Different colors we are making customization.
And price I'm not telling since his business gets affected. He's into this business for many years. That's the reason I'm not telling price. If you want to know, WhatsApp, video call or call them. They are going to send you all the detail. A to Z saloon products. Whatever you're looking, if you're looking for only saloon chairs, that you will get. If you want with basin, that you will get. You can just see pedicure tubs. So these all are the pedicure tubs. So if you're looking for this, and just check the outlet. Very big outlet, amazing collection. WhatsApp, video call, call them. They are going to send you all the detail. And apart from this, these are saloon chairs.
These all are the barber chairs.
Barber
very
chairs.
good quality and heavier, more heavy.
Okay.
These chairs are all imported qualities.
Imported qualities. Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. So just see, these are few samples, very nice, like this. If you
Pure
want,
SS stainless steel, all are stainless steel.
all are stainless steel. So if you want like this, you will get like this also. In this also there are a lot of
You need
varieties.
gold coating, you will get all gold coating also.
Okay, nice. Adjustable seat.
Yeah, all are adjustables.
All are adjustable seats. So if you're looking only for this, this also you can buy over here.
You will get all.
Yeah, and apart from this, sir.
Apart from this, we are selling this hair dryer, straighteners, equipments, all products we are selling here.
Okay, so if you want for hair dryers, all these things, hair straightening.
These all are the hair dummies
Okay.
and vanity kits
Wow,
for
nice.
makeup kits.
How many varieties will get, sir, in this? Like
You will get
20,
more
30?
variety, no, more than 50 to 100.
Okay, 50 to 100.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Then
These all are the combs and hair brushes.
okay, so this is a brand, Fox Studio.
Fox Studio, it's
Yeah.
our own brand.
Okay, all this. You'll get scissors also, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, nice.
We will
Scissors also you'll get. This all are the hairbrush. You can just have roller brush.
Yeah, roller brush.
Nice. And then, sir, next.
And here all are the equipments, hair dryer, straightener, curling tongue,
Okay.
and trimmers. All you will get here.
All equipments you'll
Yeah,
get.
A to Z products you will get here all in one store.
So as you can see, you will get all the equipments also, not just the seats, not just the saloon chairs, but you will get all the equipments
All
also.
equipments you
And
will
that
get
too you're
here.
getting for very, the price will be very different. It's like a wholesale price
Wholesale.
only, very reasonable price.
Body steamer for the
Okay.
spa.
Okay, so this is a steamer and this for shower.
Sure.
Okay, so if you're looking like this also will get over here. Shower
You will
and all.
get all in this one steamer, bath, and all you will get in this only.
So this one, if you want, if you're looking for this completely
Completely you will get all
technology
in
this.
Yeah.
So you can just have a look, shower. This entire thing will come like this. So this also you'll get over here. Yeah. Receptions and all, if you're looking for stools,
Yes.
like this, just see. And this is rotatable also.
Yes.
Pushable. You can
rotate
push it.
and then you will
Nice.
adjust.
360 degrees. So like this also you'll.
Sir, these all are the hair spa stations
Okay.
for mainly unisex salons and
Okay.
very good quality and premium quality. All are this.
Okay.
This will all made with the rubber PU sponge.
Okay.
You
So
will get 5 years warranty for foam.
nice. So like this all are there. You can. Oh, this is completely
This is completely sleeping hair wash station
Nice. Very nice. This is just see.
and totally made with the fiber, glass fiber.
Okay. Colors also we get.
You will get all colors.
Okay. So this all are the saloon chairs
And
with
this one
basin.
is the hunk hair wash.
Okay.
You can customization, all adjustment is there in
Nice.
this hair wash.
So you can
You
adjust this.
can up down. You can do
Done. So you can adjust the height and
adjust
all.
the height adjustments.
Okay. And this is also there. You can just have.
Both this model you can adjust.
So like this, just see. This is stretchable.
Yeah.
Okay. Pressing that button and it's stretchable. Like a sleeper, it will become. Adjustable seat. Okay. Cool. So if you want like this, you will get like this. If you want simple, you will get simple
You will
also.
get- These all are the head steamers for
Okay.
hair spa.
Okay.
You will get all brands and very good quality.
Okay.
You want low range and you will get here low range.
Okay.
And you want Shobha brand and all we have here brands, different brands we have.
Okay.
And this one is the Clamazon for hair dry treatment.
Nice.
You
So all latest
instant,
products.
Yeah, you will get instant hair dry.
Okay. Nice. So all the buttons are here. You can just check that they'll tell you what and all it is.
And this all are the face steamers.
Okay.
You will get all different varieties.
Nice.
This one is all are the hair trolleys and spa trolleys.
Okay.
You will get different trolleys and different qualities.
Okay. Cool. So this also, if you want movable, you will get movable. If you want just standing also you'll get. Lot of varieties are there in hair trolleys. You can just have a look.
Sir, apart from this, you will get this kids sections.
Kids
you
section.
want kid chase means you will get only for kids.
Okay. Like
Mainly.
this. So like this
You
also
will
you'll
get
Nice.
different varieties. Jeep, car, bike. You want all you will get here.
So for kids this is.
Yeah.
Okay. So if you're looking for kids chairs, little bit fancy, stylish. This comes in a car like this also. You can just check which
You will
kids
get
will love.
different.
That also. So if you're looking for scissors, that also will get. These all are the scissors, right? Different varieties.
Yeah.
And very reasonable price. What you're getting here is very, very
Coloring
reasonable.
brushes and all we have.
Okay. Just see. If you're looking for this for haircut, everything, this also you're getting. So before wind up, I just want to tell that this studio is having very nice collections of saloon chairs, saloon equipments, massage beds. We'll highly recommend you people come to the studio. I'm sure you'll love their collection and you'll become the regular customers. I'll meet you in another new happening shopping destination. Till then, have a great time.